Hey everybody, it's been a long time since we did a video. Matter of fact, it's been about 25 days since we did a video, and the reason being is on August 4th, I believe, we lost our Wi-Fi, and we had no Wi-Fi from August 4 until August the 30th, I believe. Yeah, the 30th, and it came back on. So quite a few days went without a video. Here we are on our property, and as you can see, I'll give you a little view of it. So here's our beautiful mountain range. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous out here. Quiet. Wow, it's cute.
No, cute no.
Look at this little bitty house. This is a cute house.
Sa lote nga katong ato Oh, taas sa day no. Hantod pa jud paubos.
Koto ba ng lubi?
Koto ba ng lubi. Pulo sa nahalin. Kumani mana no.
That's a cute little house. Little Nipa house.
Pulos day nahalin na. Ang tagian ni wala ra dira.
So this building is a 2-story. And it's got a hand-woven roof, as you can see. Maybe I can zoom in on it. See, the roof is hand-stitched, the whole roof. See how it's all put together? It's all sewn together. It's got a little top part up here. And it's about 8 feet wide by about 8 feet. Yeah, it's about 8 feet from here to here, and it's a little 2-story building sitting on concrete. This is a cute little Nipa hut right here. This is what we are going to build for our vacation home over on our property, which is right next door. Because look at this view. Isn't this beautiful? I know you've seen it before, but it's a beautiful view. Liam.
Ang mga
Hi, baby.
ang mga dago ko no, musayaw sa kuno.
Hi, baby. Of course, he's watching his cartoons. Liam's got his cartoons. So we got many family members now showing up.
Hey, the neighbor na the kids.
And neighbors.
Mostly neighbor.
Mostly neighbor. Okay.
Wala, te.
Naningkamot niyo kung hindi ko mag-inom, tinikamot. Pero inom ko.
How far down do you plant these?
Maybe from
From my understanding, it's just is it that far down, or is it
Yeah.
just that right
here
there?
you need a hot mangoed here, not like in the other places that cold area, so no need to dig deep.
But
But
here,
this one is so hot.
so you need to go a little deeper?
Yeah, deeper.
Okay. Oh man, it is hot today. So I'm guessing maybe it's up to 90, 95 degrees at least. 95 degrees, could be. It's hot. So what we did is we put 5 what they call dwarf coconut trees, and I'm gonna show you where they are right here. Okay, so this is one of them right here, and we put it about 6 inches of stalk under the ground with the coconut, and these grow about, I don't know, 10 feet tall, 15 feet tall at the most. We put one here, and we put one right, what is it there? Where'd it go? That's right there, it is. You can't focus in on it. Anyway, it's right about, whoop, right about there. And then we got one in the middle right there. Then we have one way over here, right there. And then on this side, we've got a big one right there. Last time we were here, they were building this little Nipa hut right here. And it looks like they finished it. You can see the walls are all done. It was Ann's Tita, or Aunt, who hand stitched the walls together. And I guess the roof is tin, so they didn't do the roof. So once we leave here, we're gonna go find us a resort, and we're gonna go swimming for the first time since March. So let's get out of here and go find a place to sleep tonight.